Good morning, my dear students. Today I will tell you exercise 4.3 of class 5th, and the first question is the chapter is fraction, and the first question is rewrite the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order, also we say increasing order, and descending order also we say in decreasing order. Ascending order means smaller to greater, we goes to smaller to greater, and in the descending order we goes to greater to smaller. Means first we write the smallest number, then we write the greatest number in the ascending order, and in the descending order first we write the greatest number, greater number, then we write the smallest number. So in the fraction, first question is 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 2 upon 5. This is your answer. But first I will tell you here, if in the fraction, if the denominators are same, these are denominators 5, 5, 5, 5 and 3, 1, 4, 2. These are numerators. This 3 upon 5, 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator. If in the fraction, if all these denominators are same, if the denominators are same and which numerator is smaller, then the fraction is smaller, and if which fraction is the numerator is greater, then the fraction is greater. Suppose here 5, 5, 5, 5. Here which numerator is smaller? Here 1. 1 is smaller than 3, 4, 2. So 1 upon 5 is greater than these smaller than these fractions. Sorry, smaller than these fractions. So first we write here, because in the question fraction write in ascending order. So first we write the smallest fraction. So 1 upon 5 is smaller. After 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, because 2 is greater than 1. So 2 upon 5. Here after 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5. After 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. This is your answer. Means we write here in the ascending order, first we write the smallest fraction, then we write 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. This is your answer. Now in the question, next question, question number third question is here not 2 upon 5, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Here 4 fractions are given here, but all these fractions are not equal. Means denominators are not equal, or not numerators are also not equal. Means denominators are unequal and numerators are also unequal. So first we take the else. How we solve the question? So first we take the LCM of all these denominators. First we take the LCM of all these denominators. Your denominator is 5, 4, 2, 5. So we take the LCM here equal. First we divide by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 5 is not divisible, so 5 comes down here. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 5 is not divisible, so comes down here 5. Now 2 1 ja 2 and 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Means LCM equal 20. Your LCM. So underline here and write here the LCM of these denominators. So we write here the LCM of under the line 20. Now when we take the LCM of how we solve, first we solve 20 divided by the denominators. 20 divided by the denominators. So 5 4 is 20. 4, your answer quotient is 4. Then we quotient is multiplied by numerator. So 5 4 is 20 and 4 2 is 8. So we write here 8. Now next same question. 20 divided by denominator. So denominator is 4. 4 5 is 20. Answer is 5. And 5 multiplied by 3. 5 3 is 15. So we write down here 15. Now 20 divided by 10. 2 10 is 20. 10 answer. And 10 multiplied by 1 equal 10 1 is 10. Here 20 divided by 5. 5 4 is 20. Answer is 4. And 4 3 is 12. So this question is solved. Now first you choose here which number is smaller. 8. So first we write here 8. After 8 10 we write here 10. After 10 12 we write here 12. After 12 15 we write here 15. How 8 comes from 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 is smaller. 10 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2. Here after 1 upon 2 12. 12 comes from 3 upon 5. So we write down here 3 upon 5. And at last 3 upon 4 is the greatest fraction. So these fractions are we write here in the ascending order. First fraction is smallest. After this fraction is greater than this fraction. This fraction is greater than this fraction. This fraction is greater than this fraction. So we put the sign here also this type. Okay, this is the answer of these questions. So now the question number B. Also rewrite the following fraction in descending order. Here we write here in the ascending order. And here we write here in the descending order. Just opposite of ascending order. Here first we write the smallest fraction. Here first we write the greatest fraction. Just opposite. Here numerator is denominator is equal. Here numerator is equal. I told you here if all these denominators are equal, then which numerator is smaller, that fraction is smaller fraction. But if numerator is equal, then which denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater fraction. Here 8 upon 10, 8 upon 9, 8 upon 5, 8 upon 7. So here see the all denominators here, because here numerator is equal. So see all these denominators. This denominator 10, 9, 5 and 7. So 5 is smallest denominator, these denominators. So 8 upon 5 is greater fraction. 8 upon 5 is a greater fraction. So first we write here 8 upon 5. After 8 upon 5, 8 upon 7 is smaller than 8 upon 5. So we write here 8 upon 7. Then 8 upon 9. Then 8 upon 10. This is your in the descending order. Try to understand, dear students. Once again, I will tell you, if the numerator is equal, if the denominator is equal, which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Which numerator is smaller, this fraction is smaller. But if denominator is unequal and the numerator is equal, which denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater fraction. So 8 upon 5, then 8 upon 7, 8 upon 9, then last 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10 is the smallest fraction. Dear students, question number 3. 5 upon 4 is just like we solved the question number here. So question number, this is also same question, only the difference between numbers are different here, but we solve the same thing. So 5 upon 4, 3 upon 12, 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5. First we take the LCM of these four denominators. So we take here the LCM of these denominators, and the LCM of denominators is equal to 60. The LCM is 60. So first what will we do? First we 60 divided by 4 denominators. 60 divided by 4. The answer is 15, because 15 4 ja 60, and 15 multiplied by quotient multiplied by numerator equals 75. Now 60 divided by 12. 12 5 ja 60. Answer is 5, and 5 3 ja 15. 60 divided by the denominators 3. So 3 20 answer, and 20 multiplied by 1 equal 21 ja 20. Then 15 multiplied by 15, 60 divided by 15, 15 4 ja 60, and 4 4 ja 16. This is your first the LCM divided by the denominators. LCM divided by the denominators, and with you find the quotient. So then quotient multiplied by the numerator. Then we write here the number. So here which number is greater? 75. 75 is greater. So first we write here 75. After 75 20. After 20 16. After 16 15. And 75 is comes from 5 upon 4. 20 is comes from 1 upon 3, and 16 comes from 4 upon 50, and 3 upon 5, 3 upon 12 comes from 50. This fraction is we write here in the descending order. Now the question number A and B is completed. Now the next question, question number C. Now dear students, now the question number C is compare each pair of the following fraction by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. We see here, we compare the numbers three types. First type, if the denominator is 3-4 types, if denominator is equal, which numerator is greater, so that fraction is greater. If numerator is equal and denominator is, which denominator is smallest denominator, so numerator is equal, here denominator is 1, this denominator is smallest, so this fraction is greater. And after this, if not, here numerator and denominator is not equal, so second, how we compare? We take the LCM, and 4 5 ja 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, and 10 is smaller, so 2 upon 4 is smaller. We take the LCM, and fourth method is by we compare the number by the cross multiplication. How we do the cross multiplication? 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 8. Cross multiply by means this type. We multiply by numerator to denominator. 2 multiplied by 8 equal 2 8 is 16, and 3 multiplied by 5 equal 3 5 is 15. Now tell me which number is smaller or which number is greater. Here 16 is greater number. Here 16 is a greater number, and 16 comes from 2 multiplied by 8, and 2 multiplied by 2 and 8 comes from this numerator and this is a denominator. So we check here only numerator, and which is numerator? 8 is the denominator but 2 is the numerator in this fraction. So 2 upon 3 is greater fraction. So 2 upon 3 is greater fraction. Now the next question, same that we do the cross multiply. This time 4 multiplied by 8, 7 multiplied by 5, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, and here 40 is greater. 40 is greater, so we do the multiply by 4 and 8. 4 and 8, the product of 4 and 8 is 40. So which is the numerator? 4 or 8? So here 4 is the numerator, 8 is a denominator. So 4 in this fraction, 4 upon 7. So we write here 4 upon 7 is greater. In this fraction also we do the cross multiply this type. So 2 multiplied by 13 and 7 multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21, 13 2s are 26. And 26 is greater. So 26, 13 is denominator, 2 is numerator. So 2 upon 7 is greater fraction. Greater. 2 upon 7 is greater. Now this exercise is, dear students, is completed. Now the next exercise 4.4. First question is solve the sums. Here some questions are given here. First question is 2 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Here the denominators are equal. So if we take the LCM of the denominators, so 9 and 9. So also your LCM is 9 because all these two denominators are equal. So your LCM is also 9. So if your LCM is 9 and denominator is 9, you can solve this type. 2 plus 4 equals 6 upon 9. And we convert into the lowest term. So 6 upon 9, 6 and 9 is divisible by same number 3. So 6 divided by 3 equal answer is 2. And 9 divided by 3 equal answer is 3. So 2 upon 3, this is your answer. Now the next question, 5 upon 8 plus 5 upon 6. Here the denominators are not equal but numerators are equal. But here this is not, we compare here the one fraction to another fraction. Here we add, here we find the sum. So here if denominators are not equal, then we find the LCM of both denominators or 3 or 4 denominators. So the LCM of 8 and 6, we find the LCM 8 and 6 is equal to 24. And 24, your LCM is 24, means 24 LCM divided by the denominators. So 24 divided by the denominators. So 8 3s are 24. Your quotient is 3. And 3 multiplied by 5 equals 3 5s are 15. Here 24 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. Answer is 4. And 4 multiplied by 5 equals 4 5s are 20. Now add, then we find the sum of 15 and 20. 20 plus 15 equal answer is 35. 35 upon 24. Here 35 and upon 24 is the also in the lowest term. Why? Because 35 is divisible by 5, but 24 is not divisible by 5. Here 35 is divisible by 7, but 24 is not divisible by 7. 24 is divisible by 3, but 35 is not divisible by 3. So 35 upon 24 is in the lowest term. So this is your answer. Also you can convert into the mixed fraction, but here the question is not in the mixed fraction, so we write 35 upon 24. Now the next question, 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 1 and 3 upon 4. So we take the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, and same that first we divided by 12 divided by 3, 3 4 ja, and 4 multiplied by 1 equal 4 1 ja 4. 12 divided by 1, answer is 12. 12 3 ja 36, 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Now add these numbers. 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 4 9 equal 49 upon 12, and 49 upon 12 is also in the lowest term. So this is your answer, 49 upon 12. Here these questions are, this is an improper fraction, this is a proper fraction, this is a improper fraction, this is also proper fraction, but this is in the mixed fraction. This is in the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is right here, 2 whole 3 by 4, and you can read also 2 over 3 upon 4. You read two types, 2 whole 3 by 4 or 2 over 3 upon 4. Here 4 over 2 upon 3. Here only 1. You can write one denominator 1 upon 1. First we convert into the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. How we convert into the improper fraction? We do the multiply of denominators and whole numbers. The whole number is 2 and the denominator is 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 equal 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8. 8 after product, 2 and 4 after product, we add the numerator. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. 11 upon denominator is 4. So we write here 4. Try to understand once again, dear students. We multiply by the denominator to the whole number. So 4 multiplied by 3 equal 4 3 ja 12. And 12 plus 3 2 equal 14. 14 upon 3. And here only the numerator. So we write here 1 upon 1. Now once again we take the LCM 12 and 12 divided by the denominators. 4 3 ja 12 3, 11 3 ja 33. We do the multiply of the by numerator, and 3 4 ja 12, 4 14 4 ja 56, 1 12 ja 12 and 12 1 ja 12. We add these numbers, 33, 56 and 12 equal 101 upon 12. Once again, look at here how we convert into the improper fraction. We do the multiply of whole number and the denominators. Your denominator is 4 and whole number is 2. We do the multiply. 4 plus 2 equal 4 2 ja 8. Then we add the numerator. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11 upon denominators 4. 3 4 ja 12. Multiply and we add the numerator. 3 4 ja 12. 4 plus 12 plus 2 equal 14. Now when we add these numbers, we find the 101 upon 12. And 101 is the prime number. So 101 is not converted into the lowest term. So because here your question is in the mixed fraction. Your question is in the mixed fraction. So your answer also should be in the mixed fraction. Your answer should be in the mixed fraction. So 101 upon 12 we converted into the mixed fraction. So how we convert into the mixed fraction? 101 upon 12. 12 is your denominators, is your divisor, always divisor, and the numerator is always dividend. So 101 divided by 12. 12 8 is 96. Now 11 minus 6 equal 5, and 9 minus 9 equal 0, and 0 minus, this is 0, 0 minus 0 equal 0. So first we write the quotient this time. How we read? First we read 8 over. So first we write the quotient of, here this type, quotient over remainder upon divisor. Quotient over remainder upon divisor. So quotient is 8, remainder is 5, and divisor is 12. So here denominators are 12. So we write here also denominators are 12. Only two numbers. Which number we write here and here? So remainder is here and the quotient is here, because this is your quotient, this is your remainder, this is your divisor, and this is your dividend. So these fractions are in the mixed fraction. 8 over 5 upon 12. So dear children, this exercise is also completed, exercise 4.4. Next time I will tell you exercise 4.4. Now, thank you.